Tesla is not made or built for the upper Midwest. Before all the keyboard warriors decide to jump in and go to battle, I want to clarify a couple things. The content that I'm going to cover in this video is based on facts. So let's roll the disclaimer. The content of this video is intended for mature audiences only. The facts are relevant to the specific Tesla 2020 Model 3 performance delivered in September 2020. 100% of the facts detailed in this video are intended to help educate a purchase decision for a future buyer or audience of this video. If you are a Tesla fanboy, you are likely to get your feelings hurt. Viewer discretion is advised. Tesla fanboys, you've been warned. So I'm going to share with you my reasons as to why I believe Tesla Model 3 performance is not built for the upper Midwest, and they're all based on facts. Tesla does a lot of things very different to other car manufacturers. And in fact, Tesla has 0 car dealerships. No, seriously, they do not have a single car dealership. They have what they call Tesla stores, like retail stores. This allows Tesla to bypass laws, rules, and regulations that other dealerships have to follow. Good job for finding the right loophole and hacking the system. Tesla does 0 advertising. That is a tall achievement for a company like Tesla. And again, they've hacked the system. The combination of not having to operate as a traditional dealership and no advertising is great for Tesla and Tesla investors, but ultimately it is horrible for people like you and I who are the consumer. Let me explain. Tesla does not have to let us know what is included in our purchase. And they cover that up by saying they're making the purchase decision easy. Fewer options, make it faster for you to conveniently check out through their website or their app. They also claim that they are then passing on those savings to us. And that results in a large community of YouTubers who create Tesla-specific content and continuously publish it on YouTube. And what you'll notice with all these YouTubers is that they constantly build up the hype and they're constantly pushing their affiliate links so that they can get free supercharging or commission on the accessories that you'll need when you purchase a Tesla. So naturally, they are going to build up the hype instead of give you actionable information that educates your buying decision. And again, that was brilliant on Tesla's part. Let me give you an example. My example. When I built my Tesla Model 3 Performance, I knew that if I wanted heated seats, I needed to upgrade my interior to white from the black that comes with the stock model. And I knew that because I saw a YouTube video saying, if you want heated seats, you need to upgrade to white. So in my head, that actually meant that if I had heated seats, I likely would get the cold weather package for my vehicle. In the upper Midwest, when we have multiple weeks of 20 below zero weather, the cold weather package is not a luxury item, it's more of a necessity. And what I personally find really interesting is that no matter what other brand, whether it be Ford, Dodge, Jeep, Chrysler, BMW, Volkswagen, whatever, you can see in writing, in detail, what your package options include. They literally spell them out. Tesla, on the other hand, they've hacked the system so they don't have to tell you what they include or what they exclude. I find it funny that Elon on Twitter often wants to compare Tesla to Porsche, for example. So let's do a quick fire comparison of cold weather package options that Porsche includes and see if they include them in a Tesla Model 3 Performance. Heated front seats. Yep. Heated rear seats. Yep. Heated steering wheel. Nope. All-weather mats. Nope. Remote start. Yep. Blind spot alert in the exterior mirrors. Nope. Dual-powered heated exterior mirrors. Nope. Windshield wiper de-icer. Nope. All-season tires. Nope. Winter tires. Nope. So the combination of all of that makes it so that my opinion, or in my opinion rather, heated seats and remote start through the Tesla app is not enough to call that a cold weather package on a Model 3 Performance. Tesla has a whole section in their owner's manual for cold weather best practices, and that warning pops up every time that you jump back in your car and it's been parked outside in cold weather. In that section, they tell you all about the freezing door handles, the freezing charge port door, right? They tell you not to use the auto fold mirror. So if you're not convinced by now that Tesla Model 3 Performance is not built for the upper Midwest, let me seal the deal for you. Battery driving range. Tesla's website tells us that the Tesla Model 3 Performance estimated driving range on a full charge is 315 miles. I have never, not in the winter, not in the summer, not spring, not fall, ever, under any circumstances, even have come close to reaching 315 miles on a full battery charge on my Tesla Model 3 Performance. I have never been able to get more than 245 miles on a 100% charge on my Tesla Model 3 Performance. That is likely due because I'm either running the air conditioner or running the heater, or I have the lights turned on, or I'm listening to music, or I'm doing something else that is consuming electricity. And here is where it gets real. In this 2022 winter in North Dakota, I am averaging 100 miles on a 90% charge on my Tesla Model 3. And this means I cannot leave the city, because once I leave Fargo, the nearest Tesla supercharger is more than 100 miles away. So this is why I'm saying that the Tesla Model 3 Performance is not built for someone like me who lives in the upper Midwest. And here in the upper Midwest, there are a lot of other things that are simply not available to us. For example, full self-driving beta, not available here. I paid for full self-driving, and I can't use it once there's snow on the ground because the cameras can't actually see the lanes. And for some weird reason, and maybe it's just the angle of the sun where I live, but every single day, either my right pillar or my left pillar, the cameras are blinded by the sun. And what that means is that the visualization of my vehicle as I'm driving and what's around me is reduced because I now have blind spot. And one thing that I've never really understood is if I have my iPhone connected to the car and I need to take a call, I have to touch the screen to accept and end the call. And in the winter, that really means taking my eye off the road, which is not safe, removing one of my hands off the steering wheel, which again is not safe, to make that action happen. That kind of drives me nuts. So let's move on to the live Q&A and see if I can answer any specific questions.